At Blueprint, we're happy to announce our new updated report format for Blueprint IncomeXpert. This new report format will be launched weekend of September 6th. The new design is based on client feedback we've received over the years of working with us. This new format will provide clear income data for all secondary market investors. At Blueprint, we know not all your secondary market investors will have access to your Blueprint income software. So the report needs to be clear, concise, to avoid any issues post-closing. The new report layout will be key report header data, a summary of all borrowers' income, summary of individual borrowers, and then a detail of each income laid out in a logical order as follows: the primary calculations and data information, guidelines and advisories and informational notices, and secondary calculations and data. Here's an example of our new report header and income layout. On the first page, you will see a report header which has the important information such as time reported, file number, and requested by who. All the borrowers are now laid out on the first page in a summary, so you can have a quick access to see what the total income on the entire file is, not just a single borrower. Before you had to scroll down multiple pages to do this work, we've now put it in a singular place to make the format easier. After that, we break down each borrower in a summary. So borrower 1 will be first up. All the income sources is listed here, and the source of those incomes are listed below in a summary format. The next formatter is the detail format. In this example, this is an employed job using a VOE. As you can see, we have the qualified income here in blue, the name of the job, type of income, document source, document ID or date, and our direct ID there for verification and auditing purposes. Laid out as the key information data. In orange is confirming the amount of the qualified income matching up here. The second page of the data is the secondary information. In our new employment chart, we consolidated 3 charts into one, showing the gross amount per year, the average per month, and the change between each year. So in this example, we had $90,000 of base pay, which is $7,500 per month, which is a 12.5% change upwards versus the 2023 year. Then we have our calculation method that we're using, our denominator, and the monthly income qualified. Below, we've broken down exactly how we got each calculation for base pay, overtime, bonus, etc. Then again, another summary validating the final income used in the qualification. For a self-employed, qualification up here, type of business, the number of years analysis for tax year, any start date listed, and the registered income expert ID. Any underwriting notes would go here. This is the primary income data showing what the amount was per year. And then we have our underwriting advisories, which are key to making sure the income is compliant with the income. Next, we have our 1088. Profit and loss was used. And at the end, we show the income options of what you selected. Passive income summaries such as pension or Social Security. Again, qualified income. A breakdown, we calculate the income, annual, monthly, and any advisories you have to follow to make the income eligible. We hope you enjoy this new income report. We think it'll be helpful to easily read our reports. If there's any questions, you can always email us at info@getblueprint.io. Again, that's info@getblueprint.io.